Top 5 Excel skills number 5. Consolidate reports. Basic, intermediate to advanced ways. The basic way is to simply apply the regular formula to sum all the numbers up. And this is very simple but very labor intensive. And let's see an example in Excel. Before we consolidate the reports, we need to ask ourselves how we can lay out those 6 reports or more reports into your consolidation file. Do you want to copy paste those reports into one tab so that you can present those 6 reports along with your consolidated reports like this? Or you want to copy paste one report at a time and paste into one tab into the consolidation file? And the setup does matter. For the first consolidation method, let's suppose we copy paste all 6 reports or 30 reports or whatever number of reports into one tab, and then we consolidate them on the same tab. Now in the consolidation panel, for the revenues, we want to add up the revenue for each state. So that means add up the numbers from cell 5, F5, I5, and C20, F20, and I20. Now let's write up the formula equal, click that cell, and then plus sign, another one. So all revenue for these 6 states, press enter. Now we get the total revenue for these 6 states. We can do the same, equal, and add up those cells, or we can copy the first cell down. Why? Because we have all lines in the same order as your individual report. Now let's do Control-C, copy, and then go to the next cell, press Shift key all the way to the bottom, and Control-V to paste the formula. Or you can say right-click and paste the formulas. Done.